Hey YouTube, it's Louise. I just wanted to share a tip with you, something that I use for winter camping. So I think a lot of you are probably familiar with these things. They're called Hut Booties. They come in down and synthetic, and I recommend synthetic because it can be damp sometimes in the winter, right? And I sprayed it with a little bit of silicone just to make it a little bit more water repellent. But the big tip, here we go, is this. So what I've done is I've made an insole out of closed cell foam, and it's a really thick piece. Got it just from some packing material that came with the box. I'm not really sure where you can buy it. And I cut it out to fit the inside of the boot. So now when I have my feet in there, I don't feel the cold coming up from the bottom of the ground. And if you throw a hand warmer in there, holy cow, it's like a little oven for your feet. They're just toasty warm in camp. So I hope you like that. Try it out. It works really well.